you to put every ounce of your muscles and your brain into these games, okay? It's really important that you work as hard as you can as a team. And I have to say, I'm just so happy that the house system, which has only been introduced very recently, is working so well. So thank you very much indeed in advance. Let's get on with the game.
Going home, but all my cash is gone. Yeah, I got nothing to do tonight. I'm passed out on the floor, up in the hotel bar, but it don't matter 'cause I'm feeling fine. I'm thinking life's too short, it's passing by. So if I'm gonna go it all, go big or go.
Yahoo! I love it!